Hey guys, Blake Kelly with Big Thunder Marine, and I'm standing on the 2026 newly updated Tige 25 Ultra ZX. Come with me, let's take a spin. You want me to do a power turn? Woohoo! Yeah! All right, guys, that was a fun rip. Now let's start talking from the back to the front of this boat. So as I sit down, I have a natural seat, right? I also have two more seats, but what I'm doing now is I'm putting down my platform because this boat for coving out is exceptional. I've got my transom stereo remote back here. I can control my tunes. I can get in and out of the water like a cascading staircase. And then on the back of the boat, almost like every other high-end boat, rear-facing seats, but where Tige wins on layout, forward-facing seats as well. Then, before you get in the boat, you can't forget that surf locker where I fit up to 4 surfboards. So very, very cool. I can have 12 boards in this boat and none of them are inside the boat. So now let's step in, go continue our walkthrough. On this rear-facing seat, I love it because I can use it as a step or cup holders. It locks down into place. I can have it as a rear-facing seat with a seat back, and then I can also make it into a table. So it's got really 3 different spots in the rear-facing area, and they do just such a nice job as an entry point to where you don't have to step on a seat to get into your boat. From there, I want to look at storage, and not just any storage, but uniform storage, both port and starboard. Deep, big storage. I mean, normal size man, storage. In here, storage. Both sides, storage. And getting out of this deep storage, I want to transition to the new Tige Alpha Tower. This thing is robust. It is new for 2026. It is absolutely amazing. It's a fully tilting, actuating tower that you can literally move and actually tow somebody with or from at any point. So I could stop it here. I could put it all the way down into stealth mode, which is where I'm going. You can tow from it again at any point and have any attitude. So this is gonna be a very cool look that we're very excited about for model year 2026. We're almost there. And as we do it, notice sitting at the helm, I can sit here with my mirror up. I don't have my speakers hitting my head. And it actually got a whole lot cooler getting out of the sun in here too. So yeah, if I want to feel like Batman,
stay calm.
I can. As I put this power tower up, I want you to notice some things about this tower. I want you to notice the backlighting on the tower itself and the speakers. I want you to notice the tower speakers. It's a company called Audison, an all-American company that Tige has paired with, and sound exceptional, exceptional sound. You have to be in the boat to actually understand what it feels like. You can feel the sound in this boat. The tower also has life jacket hangers and little pockets for surf lines or maybe ski gloves. And on top of the tower, I've got 2 spots that I like to put our foils. You'll see some video later. I'm gonna do a little surf party. So foils and boards up on top and in the surf lockers, just very, very nice. We started on seating layout and how nobody really beats Tige on the back. I'm gonna highlight that again right here. So rear facing like a normal ski boat, right? Now we want to feel like a runabout boat. Oh, hey, the wife, the co-captain, the most important person, forward-facing seat now. So this is very popular, and I love that it's a uniform boat both ways. Now, as we go to the bow, I want to highlight attention to detail. New for 2026, the gold billet aluminum accents just really sets this boat apart. And I want you to notice its versatility as we go forward. So we are going to flip this seat up and in to go away from our playpen. Now I have a step up, nice armrests that are very, very solid and robust. And if I don't want to step on a seat to get out of the boat, I have a spot so I can actually cascade in and out of my boat from front and rear, or side really, because you're getting there just as easy. So again, layout wise in the bow, Tige did good. They took some stuff and they made it very versatile, right? So Murphy seat, flip-flop seat, and then, oh, storage in the bow. We can't forget that. Check this out. Storage I tried real hard, I bet I could get all the way in here. Oh yeah, baby. Literally, storage for days. That's both sides. It's uniform, it's huge. And then there's more. There's more. Oh wow, more storage there. So I'm not gonna try to get in that one, but I bet I can fit. All right, we're gonna stop at the co-captain seat again because I highlighted how it flip-flopped and it was smooth and it was very cool, but I forgot some things. We have this nice lockable glove box. We have the Dometic cooler you can take out, take camping with you. It's strong enough that it can actually freeze ice, so you can make your own ice in the boat. I do have a Helm control over here where I can change my RGB accent lights, my zone control for my stereo, turn my stereo up or down, and then huge storage here. I can step down in it to about here, but I have my cover in there now. So again, just highlighting the uniform storage. Then we're gonna jump over to co-captain seat and talk about some ergonomics over here. I love the single screen because it's very easy and intuitive, right? My rear view camera is a touch away. If I wanna surf, it's right there. Surf, foil, wake, ski, go home. Every profile's there. I love this cubby. It kind of becomes a throw-all for sunglasses, phones, wallets, whenever you're ready to go surfing. I like the Izada Smart Wheel where I can control my cruise control, my surf speed, switch surf from left to right, my volume control, my track. I can actually pop my camera up from here if I wanted to. My phone is in a very ergonomic spot. It is a charging phone holder. New for 2026 as well. For the music, it's nitpicky, but I actually have a volume knob. So it's good, it's good. So I have complete control. I'm the guy that once we get going, I crank it. When we stop, I turn it down so I can talk to my rider in the water, see what they want. Maybe we're working on a trick, a 360, or maybe they just want a more mellow wave because this thing throws such a big wave that we have to make it more mellow sometimes for some of our beginner riders. Last but not least, at the Helm, we've done deep videos on this Helm. One of my favorite things, I have an indicator for my rudder. And if you've never driven an inboard boat, that's so nice when you're around docks. And you pair that with a bow thruster, a stern thruster now, and you can back this boat in anywhere you want to go, or pull it in anywhere you want to go. But you have the ability literally to park an inboard with no stress. Appreciate the watch on this 25ZX Ultra for 2026 from Big Thunder Marine. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. We are happy to help in terms of any boat questions. We also have the Pro Shop to back it for all the surf gear. Best one in the Midwest, wakeeffects.com. Check us out, bigthundermarine.com. Again, Blake Kelly from the helm of the 25 Tige.